AI can actually help you prepare for sales calls. And by the way, the demos that I'm doing are on ChatGPT just because it's simple, it's free, and it is pretty effective. AI can help you make the most of that customer face time. Our customer face time with our customers is shrinking nowadays. What I mean by that is this. Remember I said I used to be able to show up, say, I'd like to talk about your bearings and power transmission products, get a good 30 minutes in front of the customer. Now let's take that to a next level. A lot of that 30 minutes could have been fluff. I could have been talking about, football or getting to know their son's track team or any of that kind of stuff. People don't have time for that anymore. They expect value per minute of time that they spend with salespeople. ChatGPT AI can help you do that. It can help you come up with questions to ask. It can even help you role play in advance. I'm going to show you how. And again, this is one of those moments where through the magic, I have created a demo prompt ahead of time. And we're going to switch back over here to ChatGPT, except we're going to switch windows now. Hello, I'm preparing to do a sales call and I'm like your help in suggesting some questions. I'm Troy Harrison, the sales navigator. I'm a sales coach, consultant, and trainer. I'm calling of John Smith of ABC Industrial Supply Company. They're a company that sells bearing and power transmission components for maintaining industrial plants. They have 10 salespeople. I think they might be struggling with gaining new customers. A little more background I'm giving there. John will be my ultimate decision maker. He's the grandson of the founder. And here's another prompt I'm giving it. I like a behavioral interviewing style of question where I ask prospects to tell me stories about past events that might uncover needs for training and say or consulting. All right, can you suggest 10 questions that I could use on this sales call? Here's what that looks like. And again, I've never used this prompt before, so I don't know what's going to happen. Can you recall a situation where your sales team, well, it's moving pretty fast. Okay, here's one. Can you share a recent situation where your sales team had to navigate a complex decision-making process within a customer's organization? How did they manage the various stakeholders and secure the deal? You get the idea. There are 10 pretty strong questions there. And again, some of these questions are pretty wordy. You might want to condense them, but the idea is this is a way to help you prepare for a sales call. If you are an owner or manager of a company, scan the QR code for your free sales strategy review.